Hey guys, I've got a SmittyBilt air compressor with Japanese fittings and I want to use an ARB hose. The problem is the ARB hose has American fittings on it, so your standard air chuck accessories you buy in America won't fit the SmittyBilt. So I'm going to make it work because I like the ARB hose and it reaches further and it's just easier to use. So check it out. So I bought one of those SmittyBilt air compressors. Really good quality, well built. I just had one problem with it. These silly slinky hoses that they come with that don't reach very far. And then if you let go of it, it springs back all the way to the compressor. It also came with Japanese fittings, which none of the air chucks and air chuck accessories you find at a hardware store will work. My solution was getting an ARB inflation kit. It's got their own hose and with American style fittings, which all air chucks that you can buy at the hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's will fit into. Then I was like, well, how am I going to get this to work with the SmittyBilt that has Japanese fittings on it? So then I began a search, mostly by trial and error, ordering fittings, returning fittings, and so on, until I found what I needed, finally. I got the fitting, I put some plumber's tape on it, and I got it to work. So after finding the fitting that would work with the SmittyBilt air compressor, I finally got the ARB chuck to screw on with some plumber's tape, and it works great. Well, I hope you enjoyed my short video. Let me know what you think. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll be doing some more videos in the future. Thanks guys, see ya. Hey guys, I've got a SmittyBilt air compressor with Japanese hose fittings on it, and I'm gonna get an ARB hose to fit up to it.